Welcome to Living Off Nodak. About so far all I've posted are a bunch of cooking videos. So you guys are probably thinking that, oh my goodness, it's just another cooking show. No, it's not. So I am all about trying to live off the land. I live in North Dakota, and that's what I try to do. Don't always do the best at it, but I'm gonna kind of show you how I live. Anyway, today I am doing something completely different. I'm making my own do-it-yourself fire starters. Easy as can be, and I'll show you how it's done. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe, like it, check out my other videos, and keep coming back. I got lots more to show you. I set these 3-wick candles in some hot water for just a little bit, and then they kind of peeled right out. So then I took that pot and I put it inside that pot of boiling water, and we're just going to melt this wax down. Alright, how I'm going to assemble these is I'm going to take one dryer sheet, just fold it in half. I'm going to take a bundle of lint, kind of squeeze it up into a cylinder, lay it on there. I'm going to roll it up real tight. And I'll show you what I do with that shortly. Okay, well, I've got the fire starter rolled up. I've got the hot wax here. All I'm going to do is grab it with the tongs, tilt this up, give it a little dip, grab it back here, grab it from the other side, give it another little dip, and then I'm going to set that side and let it cool. Alright, so I got a couple of these fire starters made. The one on the left is only dipped about half to 2/3 of the way up. I'm going to light the non-waxy end. And the one on the right is fully dipped in wax. So we're going to check them out and see which one burns longer or better, or if there's a difference. And I figured what a better way to, or there's not a better way to check this out than on a windy day. So let's check it out. See if they even burn. Okay, I'm going to have to get a bigger torch. The wind is blowing that one out. Oh, they both kind of went out. The wind is messing with them. Not a good day, I guess. Okay, this one's just getting up to the wax now. I'll stand here and keep the sun off so it's a little bit better video. As of now, the fully waxed one is doing a heck of a lot better. We must have finally hit the wax on this one. It's starting to burn a little bit better now. We'll see how long they last. Alright, that one is just about out. They've been lit. I lit them at 320. It is 337 right now, so a solid 15-minute burn on them. I've seen lots of videos online of toilet paper tubes and wax and just lint and the dryer sheets. But I think dipping them in wax was a definite benefit. So, hope you liked the video. I'm going to make a bunch of these and use them all the time to light my grill. So, please like and subscribe. We'll check it out later.